Morning, everybody. This is Ionacus, and today I'm doing a review for Studio Series Voyager Starscream. Now, I've always been a little iffy about the Starscream design because, well, chicken legs, but they don't really look so bad, and the backpack's not that bad either. It's kind of flat. The head looks nice, definitely a Baber's Starscream head. It's not bad. I was actually liking it. The Studio Series has definitely got me back into liking the Baber's toys. I mean, right there. And up there by Fort Max is a little farther out, but... And of course, if you've seen... I've done several Studio and last night figures. Oh. He comes with this one mini pitchfork gun thingy. We're just going to put that off to the side for right now. Excuse me, sorry, yawning. As I said, good morning, but this is usually my nighttime because I work midnights. Now, posability on Starscream. Head kind of goes back and forth a little bit. Not very good posability on the head, but that's due to the transformation, I guess. So I can go back a little bit and forward, but I don't know, there you go. See, I just didn't have it popped in all the way. Well, his head does swivel. That's good. Shoulders can go up and down a bit. Well, they kind of go down to back up. There's there. Oops. Up and down. And I'll use bendy. He's waving ball joint in the wrist. No waist articulation, but he does have a I don't know what kind of joint that is. There's a name for that kind of joint. Leave a comment below. And not pivot, but so I'm gonna bendy joint here and here. So that his arms, legs are double jointed almost. Around decent posability, despite not having a waist swivel. I'm ready to tackle some Autobots or get his face blown off. Hated they did that to Starscream in the third one. Just shot him in the face and his head blew up. Just because they wanted to just wipe out all the Decepticons. But to be fair, I think they did, and Michael Bay did say initially that was the last Transformers movie he was doing. Then he gave us the Age of Extinction and the Last Night, which... Well, okay, you didn't get to see new characters. Let's just leave it at that. You got to see new characters. But Bumblebee still had a hard time talking. I didn't mind that for the first two movies, but beyond that, fix his voice box already. Anyway, getting back on topic, Starscream. Megatron's right-hand bot. Let's get him into vehicle mode. Pop these pieces out, fold them in, bring the backpack up and then back down, bring these up. This is all going to peg in nicely. You know, fold the legs in here, here. And straighten out the toes. Turn the lower leg all the way around and fold that in. So the back of the plane will be right there. Push those panels in. You want to turn the head 360. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this backward. And pull the chest all the way up for the cockpit. And then this piece goes maybe I was wrong on that. Now you push the head in a little bit, and there you go. You push the head back down, and that covers that. I've got to flatten these pieces out. Then you have to bring the, oops, this piece has to go back up. That way you get the shoulder pieces in. These pieces right here have to go inward and placed in here. Then you can bring the wings down. You have to fold the hands down here. And then just fold them flat in, and there you go. Hope that, I don't know, because that was seriously a pain. I didn't think that would be that annoying. There's a landing gear right there. Bring that down. I'm gonna bring this down. Unfortunately, landing gear doesn't make a roll. He just kind of slides. But these aren't real wheels here. There's molded plastic. Guys, but he's a jet. He's supposed to be like whoosh, whoosh, and not drive around. Not a bad F-22, I think it was. I'm not sure, but it's nice gray and the white outline. And the decals, the details right here. I don't know about the Decepticon symbol there. Nice for one nice jet. Doesn't look bad at all. And you just plug this in anywhere on one of the many pegs all over the place. Oh, Studio Series Starscream. Worth picking up if you're getting into the Bayverse. Keep yawning. I'm sorry. If you're into getting the Bayverse stuff, the Studio Series is a great series to get a hold of. You get the characters from the previous movies. And, definitely worth picking up. And I'm not saying that because I'm a fan of Starscream and all his interpretations, which I am, but Megatron's gotta have his right-hand guy. And you get the previous ones, the first movie one isn't all that great, the second movie one isn't all that great. There's the deluxe one, which was actually really good. That was a good Starscream figure. There's the leader class one. Which was supposedly a really good figure. I had it, but I never opened it. And when I sold off my movie box a few years back, I got some decent money for it. Did I regret it? Yeah, a little bit. Especially considering the fact that certain ones like the leader class, Starscream, and Brawl, and Ironhide, a lot of the leader class guys go for quite a bit now in the secondary market. And oh, we have to bring that back up. And there's I feel like I'm missing something. There we go. Back to chicken-legged Starscream. Well, if you like this video, which hopefully you're subscribed, you can leave a comment below, and I really appreciate it. I need some comments, people. Help me out. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. Let me know if I'm doing a crappy job. A little support here would be great. I appreciate it. Next video will be Leader Class Jetfire, who I got hanging out over here on the Thrill and 30 line. Leader Class Jetfire. Starscream Jetfire. Oh, Revenge of the Fallen Jetfire. Not a fan of that one. This one, good. Revenge of the Fallen Jetfire. Just the only redeeming quality for him was he combined with Optimus. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.